Open a jar of Nutella and read the label. The first ingredient is not hazelnut. It is not chocolate, it is sugar. The second ingredient is palm oil. Hazelnuts come third at 13%. A 400-gram jar contains roughly 200 grams of sugar and 80 grams of palm oil. The ingredient that gives the product its name makes up barely 1/8 of what is inside. In Italy, where Nutella was invented, it cannot legally be called chocolate cream because it does not contain enough cocoa. So how did a recipe that was once 70% hazelnut become a product that is mostly sugar, and what should you look for on any jar that calls itself hazelnut spread? The original recipe had almost nothing in common with what Nutella is today. In 19th century Piedmont, chocolatiers mixed roasted hazelnut paste with chocolate in a ratio of roughly 70% nut to 30% cocoa. They called it gianduja. The ratio was not a choice. Napoleon's trade blockades had cut off cacao imports from South America, and Piedmont happened to grow hazelnuts in abundance. Gianduja was born from shortage, but it was genuinely a hazelnut product. In 1946, Pietro Ferrero made his own version, pasta gianduja, sold as a solid block. In 1951, his factory produced a softer spread called super crema. Then, in 1964, his son Michel reformulated it for mass production across Europe and renamed it Nutella. The name combined the English word nut with the Italian suffix ella. But the formula had shifted. Hazelnuts were expensive, and supply was unpredictable. Sugar was cheap and stable. Palm oil was cheap and kept the texture smooth at room temperature without hydrogenation. Each ingredient that made scaling easier pushed hazelnut further down the list. By the time Nutella reached global shelves, the 70% hazelnut recipe had become 13%. The name stayed. The ratio did not. It starts with the hazelnuts. Most come from Turkey's Black Sea coast, which produces around 70% of the global supply. The nuts are harvested in August and September, sun-dried until the moisture drops below 6%, then shipped to processing plants. At the plant, a guillotine chops samples in half so inspectors can check for mold, discoloration, or insect damage. The nuts are cleaned, sorted, and roasted at around 140 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Roasting is where hazelnut flavor is actually created. The raw nut is mild and slightly bitter. Heat triggers the Maillard reaction between the nut's proteins and sugars, producing hundreds of volatile aroma compounds. Too low and the nut tastes flat. Too high and it turns acrid. The window is narrow. After roasting, the skins are removed by friction, and the nuts are ground into a fine paste. About 50 hazelnuts end up in each 220-gram jar. But those 50 nuts account for only 13% of the jar's weight. The rest is built around them. Sugar is the dominant ingredient, making up roughly 55% of the finished product. It is refined beet or cane sugar depending on the factory. Next comes palm oil at around 20%. Palm oil is a semi-solid fat extracted from the fruit of the African oil palm. At room temperature, it holds Nutella in a stable, spreadable state. Replace it with liquid oil, and the spread separates. Replace it with butter, and it hardens in the fridge. Palm oil melts at around 33 to 39 degrees Celsius, close to body temperature, which is why Nutella feels like it dissolves the moment it enters your mouth. Ferrero uses roughly 170,000 metric tons of palm oil per year. Cocoa comes next at 7.4%. The beans are roasted and ground into a fat-reduced powder, then skimmed milk powder at 8.7%. These are mixed with the sugar, palm oil, and hazelnut paste in large industrial conching tanks where rotating blades fold the mixture at controlled temperatures for hours. Conching smooths the particle size until no grain is detectable on the tongue. Soy lecithin is added as an emulsifier to keep the fat and water-soluble ingredients from separating over months on a shelf. The final ingredient is vanillin, a synthetic version of vanilla flavoring, at less than 0.1%. The mixture is filled into jars at the Alba factory in Piedmont, the largest Nutella plant in the world, producing roughly 130,000 jars per day. For context, traditional gianduja contains around 70% hazelnut paste and 20% chocolate. Nutella contains 13% hazelnut and 7% cocoa. The product that carries the word nut in its name has less nut content than a chocolate bar with almonds. Every 2 tablespoon serving of Nutella contains 21 grams of sugar, 5 teaspoons, the same as a chocolate bar. But chocolate bars are sold as candy. Nutella is marketed as breakfast. Advertisements show families spreading it on toast for their children. In 2012, a U.S. class action lawsuit alleged Ferrero misled consumers into believing Nutella was nutritious. Ferrero settled for $3 million. The advertising shifted. The product did not. In 2017, Ferrero quietly changed the recipe. More sugar, more milk powder, less cocoa. A German consumer watchdog caught it because the spread had become visibly lighter. Side-by-side photos of old and new jars spread across European media. In 2015, France's ecology minister publicly told consumers to stop eating Nutella to help save the rainforest. Ferrero responded that its palm oil represents 0.3% of global production. But in 2016, the European Food Safety Authority found that palm oil refined above 200 degrees Celsius produces glycidyl esters, a compound classified as genotoxic and carcinogenic in animal studies. Italy's largest supermarket chain pulled hundreds of palm oil products from shelves. Ferrero maintained its processing methods keep contaminant levels within safe limits. Nutella stayed on the shelf. No ingredient was changed. The recipe that started as 70% hazelnut now contains more sugar than all other ingredients combined. So, what should you actually look for? Next time you pick up any jar that calls itself hazelnut spread, flip it around and read the ingredient list. Ingredients are listed by weight. If sugar appears first, the product is primarily sugar regardless of what the front label shows. If hazelnut appears before sugar, you are buying an actual hazelnut product. Nutella lists sugar first, palm oil second, hazelnuts third at 13%. That is the baseline. Alternatives exist with hazelnuts first at 40 to 50%, sunflower oil instead of palm, and half the sugar. Traditional gianduja runs 60 to 70% hazelnut. Nutella costs roughly $6 to $8 per kilogram. A 40% hazelnut spread runs 12 to 18. Gianduja can reach 30 or more. You are not paying for a jar. You are paying for a hazelnut ratio. Nutella is not poison. It is a confection. The problem was never the product. It was the marketing that dressed a sugar spread in the language of breakfast. The first ingredient on the label has always been telling you the truth. 70% hazelnut became 13. The name stayed. The recipe kept moving, and the first ingredient on the label has been telling you the truth the whole time. That's the process. We reveal how things actually work, one story at a time. If there's something you'd like us to explore next, let us know. Until then, trust the process.